This is the Artist Paint Muller Set, your essential tool for grinding and mixing custom paints with precision. The set includes a tempered glass muller, a large grinding plate, and a wood-handled palette knife for blending and transferring paint. To start, clean the plate thoroughly to ensure a smooth working surface. Place a small pile of dry pigment at the center of the plate, then slowly add your chosen binder or medium. Use the glass muller with a circular motion, applying pressure to grind the pigment into a smooth, consistent paint. Periodically, scrape the edges of the plate with the palette knife to redistribute the pigment evenly. Adjust the paint's consistency by adding more medium, pigment, or other additives like marble dust. The tempered glass tools ensure durability and an ergonomic grip for comfort during extended use. Once your paint is perfectly mixed, use it right away or transfer it to a container to use later. The Artist's Paint Muller Set is a must-have for creating high-quality handmade paints, perfect for any artist's studio.